Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update. So we're down at 427 at the moment for SLP, and that's not a good sign. All these bullish patterns, they're sort of like not getting the opportunity that it needs to get. So I showed you this apex coming in. So you actually made the right shoulder, went up, came down, went up again, came down like this, went up, popped to the downside, and then you went down to where you formed that some sort of a ascending triangle, if you want to say. So the inverse head and shoulder is still not destroyed. That's the beauty of it. You are still not destroying an inverse head and shoulder, because nonetheless, this does qualify to be your right shoulder. And I told you, if you do see ship coming down to 416 and taking out 416, backtest and fail, that's where I actually reckon that you're going to go even way more lower, because this is still your left shoulder, this is your head here, and this still somehow can be your right shoulder as well. It doesn't really matter if you came down to this level, because that level still can qualify to be the right shoulder. But as long as you hold this level, you don't want to see this thing coming down and destroying itself like this, because the inverse head and shoulder, all in all, this pattern is going to get terminated. And that's pretty much it about this update right now. It's going to be a suspenseful movement, sideways movement at the moment. Suspense, go down. Are you going to go up? Are you going to go down? So it is what it is at this point of time. All you want to see is that it goes back up perhaps to that level, break this level again, and retest the level, and then continue to the upside, and that will be amazing. You're looking for that technical target. But we're going to talk about the prices in the future. If you actually come down and destroy the right shoulder, then I reckon you're going to come down way more deeper, maybe to 378, 376, and then continue even lower from that point of time. And that's it for this quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.